And introduce what it is.
No. If you don't know what it is, I'm sorry. Top. What is this? Wow, what a mansion.
Captain Wesker, where's Chris?
I'm sorry, but he's probably... Bang! What is this?
Bang.
Maybe
I'd like to be Bang.
Maybe it's Chris. Jill, will you go? I'm going with you. Chris is our old partner, you know. Right. Let me handle this. Top. Stay alert.
Stay alert.
Stay safe.
Top.
Let's see if any of the chat caught that.
A dining room. What is this?
What is it?
Blood. Jill, you go look for clues. I'll be examining this. I hope this is not Chris's blood.
I too hope it isn't Chris's blood. That would be a real shame.
Top.
Yeah, dude, how much did you do? The first all beginnings of this interesting.
What is up, man?
Top. No, you already did that one.
I know, yeah.
Barry?
What is it, Jill?
I don't know, it's some kind of monster.
Let me handle this.
Man, you suck, Jared.
I like that you're doing it while driving. This is pretty smooth.
What is it?
It's some kind of monster. It got Kenneth. Let's report this to Wesker. Top.
Yeah, the top.
Jared, the chat loves you.
Jared is badass.
I don't know about that, folks. You may want to,
I don't
if you
know
think Jared's
badass
badass, you
is
may
right.
want to reconsider your definition.
That's it for now. I don't
Maybe
remember
you
the
should
next
watch
one.
Evil Dead 2.